Chapter 1. All about computer. What you'll learn. Input devices. Processing devices. Output devices. Storage devices. Types of computers. A computer is a machine that works on electricity. It can be compared to a magic box that can do a variety of jobs. Computers are not confined to offices only. These can be seen everywhere around us, such as at shops, schools, hospitals, banks, airports, railway stations, etc. The full form of computer is commonly operated machine, particularly used for training, education, and research. A computer takes input, such as numbers, text, sound, images, animations, video, etc., processes it and converts it into meaningful information that could be understood, presenting the changed input as output. All numbers, text, sound, images, animations and videos used as input are called data, and all numbers, text, sound, images, animations and videos returned as output are called information. The data consists of numbers, text, sound, images, animations and videos. The processing converts numbers, text, sound, images, animations and videos, data, into usable data, which is called information. The data is inserted using an input device. The Central Processing Unit, CPU, converts data into information. The information as the result is put on an output device. Information can also be stored in the computer through storage devices. Input devices. An input device translates words, sounds, images and actions that people understand into symbols so that the system unit can process. Keyboard. It is a well-known input device which contains alphabet keys, numeric keys, special keys, function keys, etc. Scanner. It is a device that reads the text or pictures printed on a paper and translates the information into a form that a computer understands. Joystick. It is also called as game controller device. It is a remote control which is used for gaming purposes. Code byte. Dr. Engelbart is the inventor of the computer mouse. Mouse. It is also known as pointing device. It is used to move the cursor on the screen. Processing devices. In a human body, the brain has an important role to play. The activities that we perform are the results of signals that we receive from our brain. Likewise, CPU is the brain of a computer. It processes and stores the information, performs calculations, and sends the result to the output devices. It performs all the jobs that we order it to do. It is also known as the system unit. Output devices. An output device is any device used to send data from a computer to another device or computer data output that is meant for humans in the form of text, photos, audio or video. There are many output devices of a computer as given below. Printer. Printer is an output device which is used to show results in hard copy form or in paper form. Monitor. It displays text, images, videos, audio, files, documents, etc. on the screen. Speakers. It receives audio input from a device such as a computer or an audio receiver and gives audio output. Storage devices. Like our brain, a computer stores the data temporarily or permanently using short-term or long-term memory. The devices which help us in storing the data permanently are called storage devices. We can retrieve the data from these devices whenever needed. Some of the storage devices are given below. CD-DVD. It is a small, portable, round medium device made of mold polymer for electronically recording, storing and playing back audio, video, text and other information in digital form. Pen drive, it is a portable data storage device. It has become the most popular data storage device among users. Hard disk, it is a spindle of magnetic disks called platters that record and store information. Types of computers. A computer comes in different shapes and sizes. The types of computers are divided according to two categories. According to the purpose. According to the size. Types of computers according to the purpose. According to the purpose, the computers are of three types. 1. Analog computers. 2. Digital computers. 3. Hybrid computers. Analog computers. The computers which provide us information in continuous form are called analog computers. Voltmeter. Speedometer. Code byte. Many computer theorists around the world refer to these unique analog computers as real computers due to the fact that they work with real numbers. Digital computers. Digital computers work with digits to represent numerals, letters, or other special symbols. Digital computers operate on inputs which are on-off type and its output is also in the form of on-off signal. Normally, an on is represented by a 1 and an off is represented by a 0. Hence, the digital computers process information which is based on the presence or the absence of an electrical charge or a binary 1 or 0. Smartwatch. Calculator. Personal computer. Laptop. A digital computer can perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division and also logical operations. Hybrid computers. The computers which have qualities of both digital and analog computers are called hybrid computers. Heartbeat measuring machine, fuel vending machine and ultrasound machine are examples of the hybrid computer. Types of computer according to the size. According to the size, the computers are of four types. 1. Supercomputers. 2. Mainframes. 3. Mini-computers. 4. Microcomputers. Fuel vending machine. ECG machine. Supercomputers. The fastest and most powerful computers are called supercomputers. These are very expensive and are employed for specialized applications that require immense amounts of mathematical calculations. For example, weather forecasting requires a supercomputer. Other uses of supercomputers include animated graphics, fluid dynamic calculations, nuclear energy research, and petroleum exploration. Mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are very huge in size and can fill an entire room or even a whole floor. These computers can run multiple instances of operating systems at the same time. These are used for transaction processing in banking, airlines, etc. Mini-computers. Mini-computers are computers that are somewhere in between a microcomputer and a mainframe computer. In times past, the mini-computer was typically a stand-alone device that was ideal for use by small and mid-sized businesses. They used these computers as they needed more power and memory. Microcomputers. Microcomputers are the most common type of computers used by people today. Microcomputers are small, low-cost and single-user digital computers. They consist of CPU, input unit, output unit, storage unit, and the software. There are various types of microcomputers as shown below. Desktop computer. Laptop. Handheld computer. Code byte. Apple Vision is a spatial computer that blends digital content with the physical world. It uses Apple's latest operating system, Vision OS, which is designed for specialized computing. Key takeaways. Computer is a machine that works on electricity. A computer consists of various devices that help in the working of the computer. The data consists of numbers, text, sound, images, animations, and videos. Mouse is also known as pointing device. Monitor displays text, images, video, audio, files, documents, etc. on the screen. CPU is the main processing device of the computer. Output devices provide the output of data information. The computers which have qualities of both digital and analog computers are called hybrid computers.